Hi, everybody. I just want to introduce myself to all of you. My name is Angela Fisher. I go by Angie, and I am currently in Billings, Montana. I'm originally from Southeast South Dakota. I am working as a drug and alcohol counselor. I have also been in recovery from alcohol and drugs for the last 5.5 years. And I'm a really big Oakland Raiders fan. I like the Raiders. I also have two boys, and my oldest is 21 and my youngest is 4, so pretty big age span. Um, my feelings about starting the online program through Widener University for the Masters of Social Work, currently working with people that suffer from addiction. What I've come across is they deal with a lot of mental health and trauma. And with my undergraduate, I don't have a whole lot of education or knowledge in treating mental health and trauma. And I would like to have a better understanding and knowledge of mental health and trauma and how to work with people that have these problems and that they're facing. It's becoming a lot more prevalent in my line of work. So I am really excited to start the program. Of course, I am a little bit nervous because I did online about 12 years ago, so it's been a long time. So I'm excited to meet everybody, and thank you so much for listening.